In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit on QuickBooks Invoice 2026. If a customer has a credit memo, maybe for a return, an overpayment, or a price adjustment, you can apply that credit directly to their open invoice so the balance due is reduced. Today, we'll walk through the exact flow to do that cleanly, and I'll call out a few tips to avoid common mistakes. This process assumes the credit memo already exists on the customer's account. If it does, you're ready to go. Start on your QuickBooks dashboard and head to the left navigation. Open Sales, then select Invoices. This is your list of all invoices, and it's the easiest place to work from. If you have a lot of activity, use the filters or the search bar to narrow down to the right customer or invoice number. You'll save time and make sure you're applying the credit to the correct open invoice. Next, open the specific invoice you want to apply the credit to. Take a quick look at the customer name, the invoice total, and the current balance. It's important that the credit memo belongs to this same customer and, if applicable, the same currency. Otherwise, it won't show as available to apply. Confirm that the invoice is still open. Credits can only be applied to open balances. From the invoice, click Receive Payment. This doesn't mean you're collecting cash right now. It's simply the screen where QuickBooks lets you match payments and credits to open transactions. In the Receive Payment window, you'll see the customer at the top. If you have multiple invoices listed, make sure the one you're working on is selected. Look for the Outstanding Transaction section. You should see a line for the invoice and, below it, a credit memo available for this customer. Check the box for the credit memo. QuickBooks will apply that credit amount to the invoice and adjust the remaining balance automatically. If the credit is larger than the balance, you'll see the invoice zero out. Any leftover credit will remain available for future use. If you have multiple credits, only select the ones you intend to apply today. You can also add a memo for your internal notes to clarify why this credit was used. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. You'll return to your invoice list with the updated balance. Open the invoice again if you want to double check. The history will show the credit memo applied, and the amount due will reflect the change. That's it. Your customer's credit has been applied correctly, and your records will stay clean and consistent.